I'd like to do fast meals. I got some Kikkoman Teriyaki triple ginger. I'm using my power pressure cooker XL. Try to shake out as much as I can. That's pretty much dry. Into the recycling bin. And I did a package of chicken thighs. You don't want to just plop them in there, it'll splash all over. And all we're going to do is mix it up. Get all the thighs coated. Definitely coated, you can smell that. And then you want to press it down and fill the cavity so everything is covered. Ooh, I'm looking forward to coming home tonight. All right, wait for it. Gotta wash my hands. Anytime you touch chicken, you gotta wash your hands. All right, we're gonna plug it in. First time using it. All right, comes on. So we want to do chicken beef. We need the lid. It knows we're sideways, but I wanted to show you where it was. Drop it into the open spot. Pull it back. That's locked. And we're gonna let's unplug it again. Plug it in. I remembered. Alright, when I walk out the door, I just plug it in and you get to see what it looks like when I get home. Yummy. And before cooking, to the seal position, which I did. And then when I come home, you gotta vent it. And that's it. Once that drops, you're good to go. And then just open it up, lift it. Yummy, my dinner.